Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming what the TV can actually play and why it rejected the file. Use the TV manual or online spec to list supported containers and codecs, then check the USB format and file size limits. Once done, connect the USB drive and copy the offending file to your computer so you can inspect it with a Media Inspector app. While you work, make sure the TV firmware is current, because a firmware update can add codec support and save you time. Once you know the mismatch, choose repackaging or transcoding. Repackaging swaps the container without recompressing. Use FFmpeg or MKV toolnix. This is fast and preserves quality. If the codec is unsupported, transcode to H, 264 or H, 265 with a reasonable bitrate, and convert audio to AAC or MP3. Make sure to set resolution and frame rate to values the TV supports. While encoding, monitor output file size and test a short clip on the TV before processing the full file. You now transfer the converted file back to the TV and test playback. If playback fails, swap USB ports, reboot the TV, and try another drive format like XFAT. If problems persist, reduce resolution or change audio to stereo. Sometimes TVs choke on high bitrates or multi-channel tracks. As a final step, set up a media server or use a streaming stick that performs on-the-fly transcoding. This bypasses TV codec limits. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.